take out the machine and all its fittings. The instrument is equipped with 2 backup fuses, which can replace a broken one. If the fuse is damaged, slowly lever the place that installs it with a screwdriver, remove it, and substitute it with the spares. Install the rack. There are 3 holes in the back of the equipment: water inlet, overfall gap, and water outlet. You must pour pure or distilled water into the device before starting it. Water adding: connect one end of the funnel to the machine's water inlet. The buckle above the inlet will pop up if you insert it correctly. Add water into the machine via the funnel. It's full when waters spill over the overfall gap. Press down the buckle switch and remove the funnel's connecting wire at the same time. Note, you can't take out the connecting wire if you don't pin the switch. Filter installation for small rubber rings can be found inside the filter's pins. If you unscrew the filter, you can find 2 large rubber rings inside the bottle body's joint. If they are damaged, you can replace them with backup ones. Attention! You must insert the filter in the right direction. Avoid inserting it incorrectly or improperly. If you don't insert it fully, it may cause zero vacuum or air leakage. Install the connecting wire for vacuum freezing handpieces. Your fingers need to hold the connector's buckle and insert the wire inside after aligning with the jack on the machine. If the buckle gets stuck in the slot, it's properly inserted. Put the installed handpieces in the rack one by one. Install the power cord. Press the power switch and on/off after mounting all parts. Note, check whether the knob for setting suction is set to 0 before pressing on/off. When you turn on the equipment, its interface will give you tips on how to install the filter correctly, and then the page for setting parameters will come out. Parameters setting. The operating time range is 0 to 59 minutes, 10 to 30 minutes is suggested. The advised working time for a first-time user is 5 to 10 minutes, which can be increased to 20 to 30 minutes after he adapts himself to it. The temperature range is -10 to 15 degrees Celsius, -5 to 5 degrees Celsius is recommended. The suggested temperature for a first-time user is 5 degrees Celsius, which can be gradually lowered after he gets used to it. You can adjust suction per individual tolerance. You must apply an antifreeze membrane to a targeted area before treatment. Operating a handpiece with a membrane covering a treated part can avert frostbite. Press on/off and click the start icon of the handpiece you want to use. Attach the vacuum freezing handpieces to the fatty part of a targeted area. Press on/off to shut down the machine. Water draining. If you need to discharge water from the machine body, connect one end of the funnel to the machine's water outlet. When it's correctly linked, the buckle on the outlet will pop up, the funnel will vertically face downward, and water will flow out. When water is discharged, press the buckle switch and simultaneously remove the funnel's connecting wire. Notes: 1. You need to discharge water from the machine if you do not use it for a long time. Refill water if you want to use it again. 2. The water inside the machine cannot be stored for over 2 months. When using the equipment, you have to drain the water entirely and replace it with pure or distilled water. Turn off the equipment, unplug the power cord, and disinfect the used handpieces for future use.